Hello children of class 1. Welcome to this week's video on computers. From today we are beginning the second semester. We will begin the second semester by starting with chapter 5, Computer Mouse. Today we will learn about the computer mouse and how it is different from a real mouse and how in a few ways it is like the real mouse. We'll learn about a thing called mouse pointer. We'll very briefly learn about the uses of a mouse, and we will learn the correct way to hold a mouse. What is this animal, children? This is a mouse. What do you know about a mouse? You know that it is small in size, it has a long tail, and it can run very fast. And what is this? This is a computer mouse. In this chapter, we will be learning many things about the computer mouse. A mouse is small in size. Here we have a computer mouse, and as you can see, it is quite small in size. A mouse has a long tail-like wire which is used to connect it to the CPU cabinet. Here is a computer mouse, and as you can see this long wire, okay, it's like a tail, and at the other end of the wire there is this connector. We use it to fix the mouse to the CPU cabinet. Nowadays we also have wireless mouse. These are a little more costly. The thing is, all these long wires, they get tangled a bit, so if you want to avoid that, you can go for a wireless mouse. A wireless mouse is just like a mouse, like this mouse, except this wire is not there. Okay, and if you use this, the problem of the wires getting tangled, that will not come, but the wireless mouse is more costly. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. Well, not really. Only two things you can say. A computer mouse is like a real mouse. It is small in size and it has this long wire. In the same way, the real mouse has a long tail. A mouse has a left button, a right button, and a scroll wheel. That is very important. Now look carefully, children. Here is your mouse. Okay. This is the left button. This is the right button, and this is the scroll wheel. Now first I will talk about something called a mouse pointer. When we move the mouse, a small arrow moves on the screen. This is the mouse pointer. Now take a look at this video here. In this video you can see how as I am moving the mouse, an arrow is moving on the screen. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. Now I will talk about the uses of a mouse. What is a mouse used for? A mouse is used to draw and color. Take a look at this video here. In this you can see how something is being drawn. One face, the face of a ghost, is going to be drawn. And when you come back to school, you will also be doing things like this. Won't it be nice? Point and select any item on the screen, monitor screen. Take a look at this video. Here you will see how as I am moving the mouse, how the pointer is being moved. Okay, how the pointer is being moved and certain blocks are appearing. That is selecting. But we'll do more about that in the next video. It is used to play games. Take a look at this video. Here a mouse is being used to play games. Before you learn how to draw and color using a mouse, you must learn how to hold the mouse properly. But before that, there are something you must know. You must know about the fingers of your hand. 2 fingers rather. This finger is called the index finger. And this finger, this one, is called the middle finger. Now, this is the proper way to hold the mouse. Okay, I'm holding it in the air. You don't do that. You keep it on the table, but then you won't be able to see. So I'm holding it up. In fact, I'm going to show it to you now. Okay, this is how you must hold the mouse. Okay, let's read what's written here. Put your index finger on the left button, over the left button. Put your middle finger over the right button and hold the other fingers to use the other fingers to hold the mouse. So with that, children, I come to the end of this week's video. A quick recap as to what we did. Today we started with chapter 5, computer mouse. We learnt about the computer mouse and a real mouse, how the two are same and how the two are different. We learnt about the mouse pointer. We learnt about the uses of a mouse. We learned the correct way to hold the mouse. Now next week I will be back with another video, and in that I will finish this chapter. Till then, it's tata and bye bye. Love you all.